In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment on Google Docs. If you're working collaboratively on a document, adding comments is a great way to provide feedback, ask questions, or simply note important information for others to consider. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you need to open your Google Docs file. Once you have the document open, the next step is to highlight the section in the text where you want to insert your comment. Highlighting ensures that your comment is tied to that specific part of the document, so anyone reading it will know exactly what you're referring to. This is particularly useful in a collaborative environment where multiple suggestions and notes might be added throughout a document. Once you've highlighted the text, right-click on your selection. This right-click will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, you want to look for the option labeled Comment. This feature is designed specifically to help you make notations without altering the actual content of your document. It provides a clear and direct way to communicate your thoughts or concerns. After selecting Comment, a text box will appear, prompting you to type in your comment. This is where you can share your thoughts, suggestions, or questions. Make sure to be as clear and concise as possible. If needed, you can also use formatting options like bold or italics to emphasize certain parts of your comment. Being specific in your comments will help your collaborators understand your insights more effectively. When you've finished typing your comment, you'll see an option that says Comment. Go ahead and click on it. This action will save and post your comment, making it visible to anyone who has access to the document. Google Docs will mark this comment with a small rectangle on the side of your document, alerting others to its presence. At this point, other users can respond to your comment or resolve it if the issue has been addressed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a comment to a Google Doc. This simple yet powerful feature can enhance your collaboration efforts by creating an ongoing dialogue in the document. It keeps the lines of communication open and makes it easier to work together. Whether you're editing an academic paper, generating ideas for a project, or simply sharing notes with friends or colleagues. So next time you're in a Google Doc, try using the comment feature to streamline your collaborative process. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you next time with more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your digital workspace.